This story goes beyond the cute face, uncovering the facts that reveal why this species matters now more than ever. The remarkable biology, the fragile ecology, and the escalating threats faced by red pandas. What begins as a tale of curiosity becomes a revelation about disappearing forests, shifting climates, and the ways this small animal shapes the health of entire mountain ecosystems. These facts carry weight, and the truth behind them holds lessons that extend far beyond the forest canopy. High in the eastern Himalayas, between the snowline and the subtropical valleys, there exists a forest where mosses cover the trunks of ancient oaks and rhododendrons, and wind carries the scent of bamboo. Here lives the red panda, Alurus fulgens. The red panda is neither bear nor cat nor raccoon, though it seems to borrow something from each. It is the only surviving member of its family, Ailuridae, a small branch of the great tree of carnivorous mammals that chose a different path, one not of prey and pursuit, but adaptation. Belonging biologically to the order Carnivora, it lives almost entirely on bamboo, feeding day and night on leaves and shoots that yield almost no nutrition. Its anatomy tells the tale of this unlikely diet. A skull reshaped for grinding rather than tearing, molars broad and ridged for crushing cellulose, and a unique, false thumb. A modified wrist bone that functions like a grasping finger, an evolutionary feature shared only with its distant cousin, the giant panda. Yet beneath this marvel of design lies fragility. Because bamboo provides so little energy, red pandas must spend the greater part of their lives feeding, consuming up to a fifth of their body weight each day while avoiding unnecessary exertion. Their metabolic rate is one of the lowest among carnivores. Despite their plant-based diet, red pandas retain the simple stomach and short digestive tract of their carnivorous ancestors, absorbing only a fraction of the nutrients bamboo provides, a limitation that forces them to consume vast quantities simply to stay alive. Their hearts beat slowly. Their thick double coat conserves heat in the chill of high altitudes, and their bushy tail acts as both balance and blanket, wrapping around their bodies. Their physiology is the product of adaptation to the narrow band of temperatures, elevations, and vegetation that defines their world. Across Nepal, India, Bhutan, Myanmar, and southwestern China, the forests that once formed a continuous green belt along the Himalayas are being broken apart. Where red pandas once roamed unbroken ridges of oak and bamboo, there now stretch roads, hydropower corridors, and terraced fields. Studies conducted across Nepal's eastern districts, Ilam, Panchthar, and Taplejung, have shown that more than 70% of red panda habitats lies outside protected areas and is exposed to human encroachment, logging, livestock grazing, and bamboo harvesting. Each clearing opens a wound in the forest. Each road divides one population from another, isolating small groups and preventing genetic exchange. Scientific mapping of their movements has revealed the cost of this fragmentation. Individuals equipped with GPS collars in Nepal and Bhutan rarely cross open land. They cling to continuous canopy cover, unable to risk exposure to predators or human disturbance. As their forests shrink into islands, so too does their future. For the red panda is a specialist, bound to its ecosystem by threads too fine to survive abrupt change. In villages near their habitat, free-ranging dogs transmit canine distemper and rabies, diseases against which the pandas have no defense. Snares set for deer maim or kill them without intent. Occasionally, Their russet fur and striped tails still appear in illegal markets, relics of superstition and vanity. Climate models warn that warming temperatures will push the cool, moist forests higher until the mountains themselves offer no refuge. It is easy, faced with such evidence, to see only decline. The International Union for Conservation of Nature classifies Ailurus fulgens as endangered, estimating that fewer than 10,000 mature individuals remain, perhaps as few as 2,500 breeding-age individuals. Their population has decreased by more than half in the past 2 decades. And yet, science also reveals hope where despair once stood. Across the Himalayan arc, conservation initiatives are beginning to stitch the forests back together. In Nepal, the Red Panda Network has trained more than 100 forest guardians, men and women who monitor panda populations, report poaching activity, and replant degraded slopes. Through the program Plant a Red Panda Home, more than 800,000 trees and bamboo shoots have been planted to reconnect. Fragmented habitat satellite imagery now shows faint green corridors where bare land once stretched between villages. These efforts, they represent a shift in understanding, a recognition that conservation cannot succeed without those who live within the forest. In places where herders once grazed livestock inside panda habitat, alternative livelihoods and community-managed ecotourism now provide income while allowing forests to recover. In Western Nepal, new projects supported by the Foundation, Segre Foundation, expand camera trapping, anti-poaching patrols, and awareness campaigns into regions where data once did not exist. Because the species depends on connected forests and healthy bamboo stands. Protecting it protects entire watersheds. Forests that store carbon, anchor soil, and regulate water for millions of people downstream. The red panda is a flagship for an ecosystem on which human life also depends. In regions once stripped bare, young bamboo shoots rise again. In camera trap images, mothers carry cubs across the branches of regenerated trees. Each image is a reminder that extinction is not inevitable, that even delicate species can recover when knowledge and compassion meet. To watch a red panda move through its forest is to see an ancient lineage breathe in the present, a spark of evolution surviving against all odds. Its decline warns us of the fragility of the natural world, but its endurance reminds us that healing is possible. The red panda's story is not only about loss, it is about connection between species, between science and community, between the forests of the Himalayas and the lives lived far beyond them. The red panda survives because it takes only what it needs and fits within the rhythm of its ecosystem without exhausting it. If humanity can learn that same rhythm to live within limits, to restore what we have broken, and to protect what still remains, then perhaps this small creature, with its face of fire and its heart of patience, will continue to move among the mists, a living symbol of harmony between people and planet. If you enjoy these videos, comment, tap the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss our next stories. Do you have stories you would like us to cover in the next videos? Drop them in the comments. We love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay curious and keep uncovering the hidden stories of our planet's journey.